Hi, I'm Taylor, a lineman with Texas New Mexico Power Company. May is National Electrical Safety Month. If you live in our service area, you've likely seen our bucket trucks out and about. Our trucks help us keep the lights on and stay safe daily. When we first arrive to a job site, we set our wheel chocks, place our safety cones, and turn on the strobe lights. Once our site is safe and secure, we're ready to work. As you can see, our buckets have various compartments to store tools and equipment to help us work safely. Before I get into the bucket, I put on my safety harness and rubber gloves. We work safely and so should you. Remember to always stay safe around electricity.